Artificial intelligence has just taken a giant leap forward in the legal world. This groundbreaking advancement is set to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with the legal system. GPT-4, the latest large language model from OpenAI, has passed the Uniform Bar Exam, a test designed to measure the knowledge and skills necessary for a newly licensed lawyer. This achievement not only showcases the incredible capabilities of AI, but also opens up new possibilities for its application in legal practice, from research to case analysis and beyond. Imagine a future where AI assists lawyers in crafting arguments, predicting case outcomes, and even automating routine tasks, making the legal process more efficient and accessible for everyone. This isn't just another tech milestone. GPT-4 outperformed previous AI models and even beat the average human score, showcasing its potential to revolutionize the legal industry. Imagine AI-assisted legal research, document drafting, and even case analysis, all faster and more accessible. These tools can sift through vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that would take humans hours or even days to uncover. But with these advancements come critical ethical questions. Could AI eventually replace some legal tasks? What happens to the human element in legal decision-making? The potential for bias in AI algorithms also raises significant concerns. And how do we ensure these powerful tools are used responsibly? Establishing clear guidelines and ethical standards is crucial. Continuous monitoring and updating of these systems are necessary to prevent misuse and ensure fairness in the legal process. While GPT-4 isn't ready to replace human lawyers just yet, and we believe it never will, its remarkable success in passing the bar exam signals the dawn of a new era. This era is one where artificial intelligence could become an indispensable ally in the legal profession. Imagine AI assisting with research, drafting documents, and even predicting case outcomes. The potential for AI to enhance efficiency and accuracy in legal work is immense. However, ethical considerations and the need for human oversight remain crucial as we navigate this transformative journey. Stay tuned as we explore the future of AI in law and what it means for legal professionals everywhere.